Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated One UI 7.0 update, specifically focusing on the all-new camera app design and an exciting feature called Galaxy Avatar. Even though Samsung didn't fully showcase One UI 7.0 at the Samsung Developer Conference SDC 2024, we got our hands on an early build on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and we've had some amazing first looks to share with you. Let's start with a massive change to the camera app. Samsung has truly reimagined the camera interface for One UI 7.0, making it significantly more user-friendly, especially for one-handed use. In previous versions like One UI 6.11, most of the camera controls were positioned at the top of the screen, making it difficult to reach while using the phone with one hand. But now Samsung has routed all the important controls towards the bottom of the screen. You'll notice that the camera mode switcher, zoom controls, and camera settings like aspect ratio, exposure, flash, ISO, and more are all easily accessible in one area. This streamlined layout allows users to switch between modes, zoom in and out, and adjust settings without needing to stretch across the screen. The shortcut to the gallery and the front/rear camera switcher are now positioned right next to the camera shutter button, further improving convenience. In addition, there's a new icon with 4 circles, and when you tap it, relevant camera settings appear depending on the mode you're using. This new approach not only enhances functionality, but also keeps the interface cleaner and less cluttered. Overall, the design shift is impressive and makes the camera app much more intuitive to use. It's worth mentioning that this is still an early build of One UI 7.0, and Samsung hasn't officially announced its beta program yet. So while we love the new design showcased at this video, there's a chance it might evolve before the stable release. Samsung did confirm that the beta program will start later this year, and the stable version will be rolled out early next year, likely with the release of the Galaxy S25 series. So while we're excited about what we're seeing now, there could be more tweaks and improvements coming as Samsung continues to refine the software. Now let's move on to something truly interesting, Galaxy Avatar. While it wasn't highlighted during the keynote at SDC 2024, we spotted this feature in the advanced features menu of the early build of One UI 7.0. Galaxy Avatar looks like a fresh take on digital avatars. This feature includes avatar stickers, an avatar camera, and even a tool for designing new clothes for your avatar. While there isn't much detail available just yet, it could be an extension or rebranding of Samsung's AR emoji feature, but we're excited to see where Samsung takes it. This new feature hints at Samsung's increasing focus on personalized and interactive user experiences, allowing users to express themselves creatively. Whether it's adding stickers, customizing the avatar's appearance, or capturing moments with the avatar camera, Galaxy Avatar seems like it will bring a new level of fun and personalization to One UI 7.0. Forward to see how the software evolves in the coming months. What do you think of the new camera design and the Galaxy Avatar feature? Are you excited about the One UI 7.0 update? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on the latest Samsung software and devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be 2. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy S25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yanon also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.